Hey guys, it's Dana. Welcome back to the Silly Girls Kitchen. Today we're making Meltaway Almond Cookies. Yes, the name says it all. They literally melt in your mouth. Little secret, they're basically my cinnamon cream cheese cookies. I'll link that below, but made with almonds. So good. You have to make these. Let's get started.
First, we're going to cream together our cream cheese and unsalted butter. Both are softened. We're just going to cream that together until it's nice and fluffy and combined. Then we're going to add in our powdered sugar a little bit at a time. Add this in stages because you don't want that powdered sugar to blow up in your face. And I do like to add here, we can actually use a stand mixer or a hand mixer. I prefer a hand mixer just because I'm lazy. Scrape down the sides of the bowl as needed. Then add an egg, baking powder, vanilla extract, almond extract, and a pinch of salt. Mix that until combined. Once again, we're going to add our all-purpose flour a little bit at a time until all fully incorporated, scraping down the sides as needed. Then we're going to cover it and let it chill for an hour in the fridge. Once that dough is chilled, we're going to roll it into just granulated sugar. These are 2 tablespoon sized dough balls. Lay them out on a parchment lined sheet tray. And this is totally optional. I like to decorate it with some whole almonds and sliced almonds for a couple of them, and a couple of them I leave plain. This part is totally up to you. Because these are kind of bigger cookies, I'm just going to flatten down the tops of them just a little bit with a flat bottom glass. And this also helps for the almonds to stick to the cookie. Then they're just going to bake. They're going to cool on a sheet tray for 5 minutes, and then we're going to cool them on a wired rack until they're completely cooled.
Okay, so my biggest tip with these is to make sure that they cool down completely, or just wait as long as you possibly can. Because if you eat them like really warm right out of the oven, the inside might still be a little undercooked, so just let them cool down completely. Trust me on this. Now we'll get to taste it. These might be better than the cinnamon version. I'm not even playing. The touch of almond extract really sets it off. Wow. They are like pillowy cookies. I don't know how else to describe it. They literally just melt in your mouth. You have to try these, you guys. So as always, a full free printable recipe on Meltaway Almond Cookies will be down in the description box below. And please, if you'd like to subscribe, hit the notification bell because every single Wednesday we do have a new episode of the Silly Girls Kitchen right here on YouTube. And please leave a comment below if you have any recipe ideas you'd like to see me make next week, or the week after that, or the week after that. I hope to see you then. Bye guys.